A lot of people don't know the guy who made appendix carry famous in the industry.
I don't know who that is.
I'll tell you. His name's Todd Green. He was the first guy that was actually really projecting appendix carry. Back when it was Custom Carry Concepts and Garrity Leather. Those were the two that were making appendix rigs out of leather.
Back in the day, I remember seeing those on the shelf at the store.
And the clips were horrible.
Yeah.
We thought back then to put a clip on it.
It was a little steel clip, almost like what you have on your pocket knife.
Yeah, you kind of had to make sure like you didn't draw too hard. It might come off, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, he was the guy who got that going.